Hey there, welcome back. So I have a Danner AP100 air pump here. This runs an aerator on my neighbor's pond. And I was talking to them the other day and they said, hey, our aerator's dead. We're not sure what we're gonna do, if we're gonna replace it or not. This is a very expensive pump, and this pump actually is available on Amazon. So you could replace it on Amazon. But when I did some research, basically said these pumps should last you decades. And so I went and got the pump from them. I plugged it in. There was a very light hum. No air coming from the port here. Just a slightest little hum that I knew that it was getting power. So I'm not going to tell you how to rebuild this thing because there's a fantastic video on the Pondmaster site. And so I bought this Pondmaster kit available right here, and I did the rebuild. It probably took me about, I don't know, 15 minutes to take it apart, and then by following that video, maybe 40 minutes to put it back together, and that's just because I'd never done it before. Next time would go a lot quicker. All the piece parts that you need are here, and so if you hear that little bit of a hum in there, most likely your motor is fine, and this kit is going to save you well over, let's see, I want to say whatever the price of the kit here is, it's maybe 5% of the cost of a new pump. So that's going to be my guess. There's a new, this is a gasket you won't find. It's kind of the last step, and it's actually underneath the unit once you take it apart. Then you have your diaphragms, and as you can see here, these were broken. Both of them were broken severely, and that means no air creation. There's all of the pieces that you need here. My recommendation is do not take it apart or throw away any parts, because there is a round plastic ring that fits into this that does not come with the kit, and you are going to need that. Everything else is right here, and you're going to be all set to put it back together. So we've put it back together. They're all set. So I do highly recommend this Pondmaster diaphragm kit to rebuild your Danner AP100 air pump. And one second, based on the packing list here, it looks like this kit would also help with the AP20, the AP40, and the AP60. So this is the AP100. And yeah, it's actually got instructions on it too on how everything goes together. So I think if you're handy at all, you have a screwdriver, you need a 7mm wrench or an adjustable wrench, and a little bit of Loctite. That's something that you want to use in there as well. Those are the only tools that you need, and a little bit of patience. So highly recommend the rebuild kit. Check it out.